What if your next home wasn't tied to one place, but powered by one of the strongest trucks ever built? Today on RV Tour Hub, we're stepping inside the all-new 2026 Volvo FH 540 motorhome, a rolling powerhouse that blends extreme performance with next-level luxury, designed for travelers who want strength, comfort, and total freedom on the road. The moment you step inside, you instantly feel the difference. This motorhome is built on the legendary Volvo FH 540 platform, known for its reliability, safety, and unstoppable torque. The interior is engineered with precision, modern finishes, premium materials, and a layout that feels open, calm, and incredibly solid. Everything inside is designed for long journeys, full-time living, and serious adventure without sacrificing comfort. Now let's move into the kitchen, and this is where functionality meets style. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including a large refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and generous countertop space for meal prep. Smart cabinets, soft close drawers, and hidden storage make it easy to organize everything you need on the road. Whether you're cooking a quick breakfast or preparing a full dinner after a long drive, this kitchen feels like home. Next is the bedroom, and it's built for real rest. The bedroom features a full-size luxury bed with a high-quality mattress designed for long journeys. There's excellent insulation and soundproofing, ensuring quiet, comfortable sleep even in extreme weather or busy locations. Overhead storage, side wardrobes, and underbed compartments provide plenty of space for clothes and personal items, making long-term travel stress-free. Moving into the living area, you'll notice how open and welcoming it feels. Large panoramic windows bring in natural light and create a strong connection with the outside world. The seating area is spacious and comfortable, perfect for relaxing, working remotely, or entertaining guests. The dining table is perfectly positioned for meals, planning routes, or enjoying a cup of coffee with a view. Ambient lighting and premium upholstery elevate the entire experience. Finally, let's step into the bathroom, and yes, it's surprisingly spacious. You get a separate shower area, modern sink, premium toilet system, and excellent ventilation. High-quality materials and smart water management systems make it both luxurious and efficient, perfect for off-grid living. The 2026 Volvo FH 540 motorhome is not just about travel, it's about power, independence, and living without limits. If you love premium motorhomes with real truck DNA, this is one you don't want to miss. Stay connected with RV Tour Hub for more exclusive motorhome tours and future-ready RVs.